Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide the sent label in Gmail on your PC. The sent label in Gmail automatically categorizes and stores all the emails you have sent. However, if you prefer to streamline your inbox and remove the clutter of the sent label, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, click on Labels from the top menu. Step 5. Next to Sent, click on Hide. This will remove the sent label from your inbox, providing you with a cleaner and more organized email experience. By hiding the sent label, you can focus on incoming emails and prioritize your inbox without the distraction of your sent messages. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail usage, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.